Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss number system part 5. So we already discussed the basics of the number systems. That's just a small recap of the number systems. The types of numbers, factors of numbers we discuss now, and how what is the digit and what's the type of numbers, complex numbers and imaginary numbers, real part of numbers, and non-terminating numbers, converting to the non-terminating numbers, and then how many digits in the number, and place value, face value also we discuss, and factors and multiplication also we discuss. So factors is nothing but which a number is divide the exactly, that is a factor, and multiple, whatever the number, if you are multiplying with another number, that resultant will be multiple. Okay, and you know that how we need to find out the factors of numbers, two product of the numbers. Now, today we are going to discuss about a concept of power cycle. What is the power cycle? First, so generally, see here, uh, 2 power 1 will resultant will be 2, and 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 4 is 16, and 2 power 5 32, 2 power 16, 2 power 6 64, 2 power 7 128, and 2 power 8 126. Just observe here, observe these things. You can find that the last digits of the numbers, the last digits of the numbers. See, the last all digits of the numbers is repeating 2486 and 2486. So that means after every four numbers, the power cycle is repetition, right? So now just look at that. What is the last digit of the 2 power 1 2 4 5 2 power 3 8 5 7? Actually, see here. So what is the power cycle? It means they will ask the last digit or unit digit. They will ask unit digit or last digit to find. Okay, and if you want to find that last unit digit, then you need to know that what will be the unit digit of the power cycle. See here, so unit digit of the power cycle is repetition of after 4 digits. After 4 digits, what are the digits? 2 4 8 6. After that also we are getting 2 4 8 6 only. After that also we are getting the same type only, right? So this type we are going to repetition of the power cycle. So what is the use of this one? First of all, what is the use of this one? So it's repeating after 4 numbers. Yes, of course. But what is the use? So how to use this power cycle to find out the unit digit of this number, right? Now check how to find out this unit digit. So here the unit digit is nothing but 2. So enter the number, whatever the power here it is. So it is 2 power 3857. So what will be the last digit? So 2 power 3857 will give which number is the last digit. That number should be the unit digit of 12452 power 3857 also. Okay. So to find out that 12452 power 3857, instead of that, we can find the last digit 2 power 3857. So is it not also easy, right? So this is 4. Okay, remember this. So 2 power 3857 is not the easy value. Okay, then how to find out this one? So what we want, actually unit digit we want, right? So unit digit. Now see here, power 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, and 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 4 is 16, right? In the same manner, just I said power cycle is 4, right? Then just divide this divide this power cycle with 4. Okay, power cycle with 4. So it is nothing but what is the remainder you have to find out. So how to find out the remainder? So we already discussed Vedic mathematics and this number systems. Then you can find out. So 4 will exactly divide which last two numbers is divisible by 4, right? So just check here. So last 2 digit is 57. 57. What is the nearby value of which can exactly divisible by 4? It is 56, right? So if it is 56, then it is exactly divisible by 4. That means remainder is 0, right? But it is 57 is there. So how much is greater than it is? Only 1. So remainder will be 1. So no need to take, no need to cancel everything. So you can calculate remainder easily. So just 4. It is 4. It is advantage of 4 actually. Okay. So 56 is exactly divisible. 57 is there. That means 1 is the remainder, right? So if I got the 1 is remainder, then what is the connection between 1 and this power cycle? You need to know, right? So first of all, I said power cycle is 4. Okay, power cycle is repetition 2, 4, 8, 6 only repeating. Power cycle is 4. Then I just divided that power, whatever the power they given, that divided by 4. This is power cycle 4. Okay. Then I got the remainder is 1. Then how we are going to utilize this remainder to find out the number, right? So here 2 power 1 is there, right? This is 1. That means remainder 1. Remainder 1. If you are dividing with a 4, what is the maximum remainder? What is the maximum remainder? It will be 3 only, right? So maximum remainder always less than the number. It is 3. Now, so it is remainder 1, it is remainder 2, and it is remainder 3, and it is remainder 0. It's nothing but 4, 0. Remainder 4 will not get. Remainder 4 will not get. So remainder 0 will get instead of that. So whenever if you are getting the remainder 1, then take the first value, 2 power 1 value. It is nothing but 2. So remainder 1 means the unit digit will be 2. Remainder will get 2 means remainder 2 is nothing but second. Remainder 2 value is nothing but 4. The unit digit will be 4. And remainder 3, if you got the remainder 3, then unit digit of it is 2 power 3. Okay, whatever the number, just power that. So remainder 1, 2 power 1. Remainder 2, 2 power 2. So this is the remainder we are taking here. And 2 power 3. If remainder 3, 2 power 3. Here. Right? And so if you got the remainder 0, then what you have to take? 2 power 4 you have to take. Remainder 0, if you get 2 power 4 you have to take. And you know that 2 power 4 is there, unit digit is 6. Unit digit is 6. And remainder 3, unit digit is 8. And remainder 2, 2 power 2 is nothing but 4. Unit digit is 4. Remainder 1, 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. So unit digit is 2. So after finding out the remainder, you just check the unit digit of that power value. Then that is the answer of that our question. So here remainder is 1. So unit digit will be 2. So entire the unit digit will be 2. Okay. Now the same manner, this is about 2. So whatever the remaining number, whatever the remaining numbers, we'll check now. Okay. So even 3 power, how much? 3 power 1 is nothing but 3. 3 power 2 is 9. 3 power 3 is 27. 3 power 4 is 81. And again 3 power 5 is nothing but 243. See here. Here also repeating this, the number 4 numbers. So 3971, again 3 shorted. and next number will be 9, next number will be 7, next number will be 1. So here also repeating number is say 4 numbers. 4 numbers is repetition. Clear? Done? Now, so based on this one only, based on this one also, we can divide the same number. So like this, we can see the remaining numbers also. First, find out the power cycle of remaining numbers. So 1 is nothing but 1, only 1. 1 is nothing but only 1 is a 1 time repetition. So 1 power anything is 1 only, right? 1 power anything is 1 only. So it will be 1. Okay. Let's see here. Now, check the remaining numbers. So 1 time repetition, and 2 is 4 cycle. Power cycle is nothing but 4, 2, 4, 8, 6. And 3 also power cycle is 4, 3, 9, 7, 1. And come to the 4. 4 power 1 is nothing but 4. 4 power 2 is nothing but 16. 4 power 3 is nothing but 64. Again 4 is repetition. So power cycle is only 2. Power cycle is only 2. And 5 power anything is 5 only. 6 power anything is 6 only. And 7 power, we'll just check now. 7 power 1 is nothing but 7 and 49 and 240, 243 and so it is 7 power 4. 7 power 4. What is 7 power 4? No? It is 1701, right? So 1. So here also repeating 7, 9, 3, 1. Power cycle is 4. And for 8, power cycle is 4. What is the numbers? 8, 4, 2, 6. You need to remember this. If you remember, then it is easy to you calculating. Suppose you got the unit digit is 7. If you got the remainder is so whatever the number, if you are getting the remainder, so based on that remainder, you can find, so whatever the remainder, if you are multiplying with 4, so remainder will be less than 3 only, right? So less than 3 means, so remainder for 0, the last number you have to take remainder 0, okay? Remember this one, okay? And 8. And what about 9? So 9 power, just check here. So 9 power is 9 power 1, 9, and 9 power 2 is 81, right? And 9 power 3 is again 9. So it is repetition, 2 numbers, repetition of 2 numbers. Then for 0, it's 0. Okay, these are the power cycle numbers. You need to remember this. These 4 numbers and these 4 numbers, these 4 and these 4. What is the 7 reminders? 7 reminder cycle numbers. 7, 9, 3, 1. 7, 9, 3, 1. Okay, and 8, 8, 4, 2, 6. Right? You can remember like this. So 8, then half of the number 4, and half of the number 2, and the both last 2 numbers is adding 6 will get. Okay, right? So some have used some tricks to remember this. So if you remember this, then you can easily get the answer of unit digit of the numbers. Okay, some tips here. See, some tips. 4 power, suppose 4 power odd, whatever the number. Suppose if your 4 power is there, 4 power odd number is there, 31. It is odd number, right? It is the number. Resultant unit digit will be 4 only. Resultant unit digit number will be 4 only. Okay. And 4 power even, 4 power any even number any even number will get 6 only. 6, right? So and 5 for anything is 5 and 6 for anything is 6. So remember these two. It's very, very important, right? Clear. Now we'll solve some of the problems. Then we can complete the concept. Very clear manner. Okay. Now 989 power 1246. Now see 1246 I given here, right? So how to find out this number? What I said, divide the power, this power, with the power cycle number. Power cycle number. What is the power cycle number of 9? What is the power cycle number of 9? 9 power cycle is nothing but 2. What is that 2? It is 9 and 1. If remainder 1, if remainder 1 is there, that is 9, and remainder 2 are 0. So 2 will not get any time. So remainder 2 will not get any time. Why? Because remainder always less than the number, right? So remainder 0 will get, then it is 1, right? Now check this number. 989 power 1246. That means 9 power 1246. What I have to do? Power 1246 1246 divided by 2. So it is even number. It is also, so it is exactly divisible by 2. No need to find it anything. So by seeing itself we can say directly if you are practicing more, right? So it is even number. That means remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. Then what is the power cycle? If remainder is 0, then power cycle unit digit number will be 1. So entire the number unit digit will be 1. Okay, do you understand? Just divide this number by power cycle. What is the power cycle? 2, right? So power cycle is 2. So if your power cycle is 2, then make that power cycle. So which number we are getting? Right? Now just we'll solve some of the problems, then we'll get easily, we can understand easily, right? Then so take the next number, next problem. Next problem. No, check here. Just wait for the problem. Just wait. Okay. Waiting for the problem is little bit. 7 power 41 into, so don't think just 7 power 41 they will give, into 5 power 94 into 2 power 73. 2 power 73. Now check this. So check these numbers. This way. I'll click here. Now see what is the given? 7 power 41, 5 power 94, and 2 power 73. Then write 7 power. I said divide by 4, right? divided by 4. That means you can write in the 7 multiple, right? So, sorry, 4 divided by 4. 7 multiple you can write. 7 into 10. It's nothing but 40. So, remainder will be 1 here, right? So, remainder will be 1. And into 5 power 94. 94. What's the power cycle it is? 1. So 5 power anything is 5 only. I said 5. Just take directly 5. And 2 power 73. 2 power 73. And it's divided by 4. Divided by 4. Multiple by 4, right? So 2 power 4 into. You can write. So 72 is nothing but 18. So remainder will be 1 also. Here also 1. Right? So here remainder is 1. 7 power 1 into 5. It is 5 only into 2 power 1. That means remainder I am taking directly. Okay. 7 power 1 means what is the number? 7 power 7 is nothing but 7. 7 into 5 into 5 into 2. So here 35 into 2 70. 70. Unit digit will be 0. Unit digit will be 0, right? But just observe this question. I'll say in a simple trick. Okay, I'll say one more simple trick to solve these problems. Solve this problem. See, find out. So this is unit digit 2. Okay, I'm just clearing this. See, 7 power something they given, and 5 power 94 they given. I said 5 power anything is 5 only, right? 5 power anything is 5, right? And into 2 power 73. So 2 power 73 or 2 power 780, whatever the number, will get the what the unit digit numbers. It is nothing but 2, 4, 8, 6, right? Whatever the number, will get these numbers only, right? After finding out the divide, after finding out the whatever the number, unit digit will be these 4. If you multiply with 5 with 2, it is 10. Multiply with 4, it is 20. Multiply with 8, it is 40. Multiply with 6, it is 30. Observe this. So 2 power anything, if you are multiplying with 5, then the unit digit is nothing but 0. Is it clear? Unit digit is nothing but 0. So that may be 2 power and that 4 and that 8 and that 6. So unit digit will be zeros. So if we got one unit digit 0, then if you are multiplying whatever the number with that, that will be 0 only, right? So unit digit will be 0. Directly you can say, right? So not we no need to do 7 for 41. No need to do this thing. If 5 is there, remember this 5. If 2 is there, remember this 2. So 5 into 2, always 10. So always 10, 20, 40, 30. So last number will be 0. If last number will be 0, that entire the number last digit will be 0 only. Okay. Remember this simple trick. So if you are solving everything step by step means it will take time. But why I'm explaining all the things means you need to know the concept first of all. Based on the concept, you need to say whatever it is, right? Now, one more problem. Check this one more problem. So 8 power 82. 80. 82. 8 power 82 minus 3 power 57. 57. Now check these numbers. How we are going to do this? So 8 power 82. 8 power 82. Right. Now 8 power. What's the power cycle of 8? Is 4. 4 multiplication. It is 420 is 80, right? 420 is 80. What's the remainder? 2. So directly you can get 8 power 2 and minus 3 power 57. 3 power 57. What's the nearby value? It is 57. It's nothing but 452, right? Sorry, divided by 4, right? Here also divided by 4. So power cycle is 4 and divide is remainder is nothing but 1. So 3 power 1. So 8 power 2. What is the second number in that 8? It is nothing but 4. So unit digit 4 and 3 power 1 is nothing but 3. So 4 minus 3 unit digit. Only I am talking about the unit digits. So it is 4 and it is 3. It's 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1. So unit digit will be 1. So simple. We can do the matter is very simple. If you are right, you can write this number, the power number, into 4 factors, 4 multiples. 4 multiples. If you are right, then we can easily find out that number. Right? Here. So now check with another numbers. Check with another problem also. So if you are solving the more number of problems, then you can easily identify the numbers. So don't think that problems will get easy. So problems will get difficult only. See, 9 power 53. 9 power 53 plus 3 power 86. 86 and minus 2 power 63. 63. Now check this. Here 9 I said. So first of all, just clear this one. So 9 I said 9 power 53. So 9, what's the 9 power cycle? It's nothing but 2. So 53 is there. So 52 we can write 2 into 50. Sorry, 2 into 26. 26 is a 52, right? So remainder is 1. So we can directly 9 remainder 1 is 9. Okay, and plus 3 power 86. So 86 is 4 multiple. 4 into 84, right? So 84 is divisible by 4. It's 2 1. So remainder is 2. That means 2 power 3 power 2 is nothing but again 9. Right? 9. Sorry, it is plus. Sorry, it is plus. Sorry, it is plus. So 9 plus 9 and minus. So 2 power remainder is 1 here. Remainder is 1 means so 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. So here 9 plus 9, 18 minus 2 is nothing but 16. So unit digit will be 6, right? Here. Now check this. Another number, another question. So 7 power Yeah. So find out this number. Value of this number is nothing but how I will do. Same manner. What is the 4 power cycle first of all? Sorry, 7 power cycle 4, right? So 4 we can write 24, right? So 4 power 4 into 24, remainder will be 2. So directly you can take 7 power 2 into, so 9 power 69. It's right in a 2 value. Remainder will be 2, right? 68 is there. So 68. So it's nothing but remainder is 1. So here only will get the remainder 1 or 0. That's it. If odd number is there, we'll get remainder 1. Even number is there, it's remainder 2, right? Sorry, 0. Okay, it's nothing but 9. 9 minus, so 4 power. What is the remainder? I said 4 power odd number. 4 power odd number. The unit digit will be always 4 only. So no need to calculate anything. Okay, then it is 5. So 5 and what is the 7 power 2? It's nothing but 9. 7 power 2 is nothing but 9. 9 into 5. 45. 45. Unit digit will be 5. See, here also, don't need to, if suppose it's 19 is there or some other number is there, so no need to find this thing. So 5 into any odd number that will give the unit digit is 5. 5 into any unit digit, any even number, unit digit will be 0, right? So you can find that like this. So the calculation make simple. That means if you do fast calculations, that's it. Okay. Now we'll take some more problems, then we'll end this class. So many tricks is there to find the unit digit numbers. So better thing, just follow that numbers. Okay, I'm going to clear this, and then next question for you. So if you're practicing more and more, then you will get easily. Now, question is 2 power 2015 into 3 power 203 into 4 power 27. Right? Now, find the answer for this. I'll give the 2 minutes. Just try to solve this one, and we can start. Otherwise, I'll explain. Okay. You're doing or not, guys, boys and girls? Do it fast. Do it fast. Nice. Done. Okay. Okay. See how I am going to see this one. So 2 power this thing. 2 power 4, right? So 4 multiple we have to write. 4 multiple. See last two digits is 15. So what's the remainder will be 3. So remainder will be 3. We can write if 2012 will be there, remainder will be 0, right? If 3 is there, so remainder will be 3. Okay, that means 2 power 3. Remainder will be 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 into and 3. Here also, just check here 200. 200 is 4 multiple. 4 multiple is 200 is 4 multiple. Then remainder is 3. So 3 power 3. 3 power 3 into 4 power odd number is nothing but 4. That's it. So no need to find anything. So 3 power 3 is nothing but 7, and 2 power 3 is nothing but 8. So if you need to multiply this, how we are going to multiply this? So 4 into 8, 32. 2 into 7. Last number is 2, right? So 4 into 8, 32. And the last number is 2. 2 into 7 is nothing but 14. So unit digit will be 4, right? So 4 is a unit digit. Clear? So like this, you have to find out the unit digit numbers. So I'll give one more problem to you to solve. So this you didn't solve, and the next problem you have to solve surely. Okay, just wait a second. I'll give one more question for you. Easy question. I'll do 2869 power 123 plus 3426 power 70. Now check. Easy question actually. Easy question. I'll give 1 minute time of you. Then try to solve this. I'll give 1 minute time to this. Solve this. Very easy question. Very, very easy question. Doing not? Doing or not? Right? Yes, super, nice. So like this, you have to do the calculation. Okay, for remaining people, then I'll just show you here. See, what's that given? 2869 power 123. That's last number is nothing but 9. 9 power 123. So what is the power cycle of 9? It is 2, right? So power cycle of 2, that means we can write either 1 or 0 will get. So if odd number is there, 1. If even number is there, that is 0. So 222 is even number. It's exactly divisible by 2. But here 223 is there. That means nothing but power 1. 9 power 1 plus 6 power 7 1. So do you remember that what I said? 6 power anything is nothing but 6 only. 6 only. So 6. So remainder is, so last digit is 6. Last digit is 6. So what's the 9 power 1 last digit? It is also 9 only. 9 plus 6. It's nothing but 14. So 14. 4 is the last digit. 4 is the last digit. Okay. So today we are going to end this concept, that's power cycle. So we discuss how to solve what is a power cycle and how to solve that power cycle based on the numbers, everything, right? So thanks for watching. Bye bye now. Next class we'll discuss, continue the part. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.